Welcome to the Neighborhood Exeter, where contemporary comfort meets tranquility in a prime location designed with your needs in mind. Experience modern sophistication in a variety of spacious studios and convenient private bedrooms and shared apartments, each offering cutting-edge amenities and generous living spaces ideal for both relaxation and socializing. But there's more to explore. Immerse yourself in the lively community vibe of the residence lounge, enjoy the serene outdoor space in the private courtyard, or watch the latest releases in the dedicated center room. Stay fit in the fully equipped gym or engage in friendly competition in the games room. Perfectly positioned near Exeter College and the University of Exeter, your educational journey will be seamless. For a quick coffee or study spot, nearby cafes like Collegiate Cafeteria and Coffee #1Exeter offer a great atmosphere. If you need groceries, local stores such as Sainsbury's and Waitrose are conveniently close. With multiple transport options like the Exeter Street bus stop just a hop, skip, and jump away, traveling around the city is straightforward. Don't miss the chance to redefine your living experience at the Neighborhood Exeter. Visit amberstudent.com today to find your new home where luxury and community come together seamlessly.